Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Cheese grits. 1 cup milk. 1 cup water. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Whisk. Slowly add a half a cup of grits or cornmeal. Turn heat to low and cover. Remove lid and whisk every 4 to 5 minutes. Cook for 20 minutes or until creamy. Turn off heat. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, whisk. 1/4 cup cheddar cheese. Cheese grits.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.